Testing of Epcon electropneumatic controller.
For testing, we add a 100 volt AC power supply and some LEDs in order to depict the adjustments of the controller. As the process variable exceeds the set point, the controller attempts to lower the value and the LEDs light up. As the process variable is far lower than the set point, the controller attempts to raise the value and the LEDs light up. As the process variable nears the set point, the LEDs lower their blink rate until they stop. It is now clear that the controllers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.